ऐसे कुछ फीलर्स थे कि मुझे कैट करना है या मुझे कोई प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम करना है, या था कि मत जैसे ग्रेजुएशन होगा उसके बाद फिर कैट की तैयारी शुरू करो और एमबीए करो और उसके बाद करियर शुरू करो? आई मीन व्हाट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस?
So,
तक आप स्कूल में होते हो तो आपको पता है कि
Right.
आपको नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जाना है,
right.
फिर कॉलेज में होते हो आपको पता है कि 1 2 3 इयर्स ऑफ कॉलेज, उसके बाद अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो तो या तो जॉब शुरू करो या बताओ कि मुझे ये स्टडी करनी है, और आपने एमबीए किया जो आपका रिजल्ट आपके लाइकिंग के हिसाब से नहीं आया, देन यू आर इन अ नो मैंस लैंड। और वो नो मैंस लैंड का जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो कैसा था?
Oh, that was
The one year of 2026 tell to the one year of 2024. Now you know that you've got a secured placement. You know that you exist. आपको एक सिरा मिला है, right? And you have been a very good student in school or in college also, even in the workshops you were very very good, right? तो एक होता है कि क्योंकि आपको सिरा मिल गया है, उसके बाद आगे आपकी मेहनत है, right? That validation है कि you know कि अब मुझे किस तरह से आगे बढ़ना है। अभी का फिर आगे का क्या? What do you think next? What is it that you want to do?
okay.
As a graduate, can I get into finance? As a graduate, should I go for internships? As a graduate, should I focus on CFA or CMA or ACCA? Or I should start working? Or I should go for CAT examination? There's a lot of graduates who grapple with these thoughts. A similar thought there was also with one of our students, Vani Goel, who is my guest tonight for this podcast, because many of you will sort of resonate with her story. She did the financial modeling and valuation program from us, and she recently got placed in a proper investment banking profile. So let's hear out from Vani her story, and in terms of what her thought process is in terms of how to start your career, especially if you are just graduated. So Vani, welcome to this podcast.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बताइए अपने बारे में।
Okay, so I have completed my graduation in BMS from Keshav Mahavidyalaya, University of Delhi. I completed my graduation in 2025, and after that I was like really confused on how to proceed further. What should I do? What should I do next? Because I started preparing for CAT during my college, and I did not score well enough to get into the college of my choosing. So it was a very hard decision on what to do next.
पर मुझे मतलब कमिंग बैक टू योर ग्रेजुएशन, वानी, आपने +1 +2 किस में किया?
Commerce with maths.
कॉमर्स विद मैथ्स में। यू गॉट इनटू केशव महाविद्यालय, दैट्स अ वेरी डिसेंट कॉलेज। तो +2 में क्या परसेंटेज था आपका?
Not very good. It was in 10th I scored 87-88%, and in 12th it was 89%.
एंड यू गॉट इनटू केशव महाविद्यालय।
Yes.
तो ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम पर ऐसे कुछ फीलर्स थे कि मुझे कैट करना है या मुझे कोई प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम करना है, या था कि मत जैसे ग्रेजुएशन होगा उसके बाद फिर कैट की तैयारी शुरू करो और एमबीए करो और उसके बाद करियर शुरू करो? आई मीन व्हाट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस?
So initial thought process was to go with CAT, and then after completing MBA then go for a job. I didn't have anything else in mind, but
पर ऐसा क्यों? मतलब आपको ऐसा कोई गाइडेंस नहीं मिलता था कि देखो मैं इंडस्ट्री में हूँ, मुझे पता है कि एमबीए विदाउट वर्क एक्सपीरियंस का कुछ ज्यादा मतलब नहीं है।
right.
I mean, it has to have a certain level of work experience because that brings a lot of maturity. और तब आप MBA करने जाते हो तो एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, दुनिया को देखने का नजरिया अलग होता है, बिजनेसेस को समझने का नजरिया अलग होता है।
Right.
तो आपको उस टाइम पर कुछ ऐसा गाइडेंस नहीं मिला था कि मुझे शायद मुझे अभी कैट नहीं करना, मुझे कुछ और करना चाहिए?
Okay, so there were a lot of seniors as well who suggested me that MBA with work experience is better. So you should go for work experience first and then MBA. But there were some students who were saying like, go for MBA, you'll learn a lot and you'll make network there, you'll build a lot of connections. So after that then you can, pursue a job and it will help you a lot. Like you will score a better package and you'll be well settled after doing an MBA. It is a good qualification. So after discussing with my parents as well, like so I chose that okay, I'll try to do MBA first because I wanted to complete my education first, because after job it can get hard to come back to the mindset of studying as a student. So that's why I decided to go for MBA first. And my problem was that I didn't keep a backup as a placement. I didn't sit for college placements. So
और कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट कैसी हुई थी?
they were nice. People got placed in very good companies like Preferred Square and Oxane Partners, like core finance firms as well, and they scored like good enough packages. They got very good packages as a fresher. So I think that I should have sat for the placements in hindsight, but I went for MBA, so I lost that opportunity.
और कितनी देर के लिए MBA का प्रिपरेशन किया था आपने?
So I started my preparation in February and
February of last year, 2025.
24. So
24, अच्छा.
yeah, and I gave my CAT in November 2024.
2024, oh, अच्छा, ठीक है.
Yeah,
You
so-
were in your second year or third year?
Third year.
Third year of
So-
your college.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
So I gave my CAT and I scored 92 percentile.
Uh-huh.
So, but I was not able to get into the college I wanted. Like I wanted to go to the top IIMs only. So I did not get admission there. So I dropped the idea of CAT at that time. Now I had a gap year to fill, so I didn't know what to do, and I was a
Because एक देखो अभी तक क्या होता है कि जब तक आप स्कूल में होते हो तो आपको पता है कि
Right.
आपको नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में जाना है.
right.
फिर कॉलेज में होते हो आपको पता है कि 1 2 3 इयर्स ऑफ कॉलेज. उसके बाद अगर आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो या तो जॉब शुरू करो या पता हो कि मुझे ये स्टडी करनी है और आपने MBA किया जो आपका रिजल्ट आपके लाइकिंग के हिसाब से नहीं आया, देन यू आर इन नो मैंस लैंड. और वो नो मैंस लैंड का जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो कैसा था?
Oh, that was very bad. Because sitting at home talking to your parents every day, like I could feel that they are okay, they are there for me, but they are also kind of disappointed, like I'm not able to figure out what I want to do. So it was very hard. And at that time actually my sister was also gonna start her college, so she got into VIT Vellore, so she was going there. So I was like, okay, I'm not doing anything with my life right now. And even the younger kids know what they want in life, and I'm just sitting at home doing nothing. So like 3 to 4 months, like it was very hard, like to think about what to do. And
बिकॉज अब तब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है.
right,
आपने शायद M.Com वगैरह का नहीं करने का है, कैट में आपका हुआ नहीं,
right,
ठीक है, आपने प्रोफेशनल एग्जाम कोई शुरू नहीं किया,
right.
और अब तो कॉलेज भी नहीं है जिसमें जाके आप मतलब रो पाओ कि यार अब क्या करूं मैं टाइप्स.
Right. I considered the possibility of pursuing 4th year of my college, because we got an option of continuing the 4th year in my degree from this year. But after talking to my teachers, also I realized that it was not worth it. Like if you are not going abroad to study, there is not the 4th year does not have much to offer. So
बिकॉज़ ये पहला टाइम था, पहली
Yeah,
टाइम था
first time.
एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन
Right,
की,
right.
वो 3 इयर्स से 4 इयर्स किया.
yeah, we are the experimentation batch after all. So
और उसमें उनको मतलब कॉलेज को भी नहीं पता कि हमें क्या कराना है.
the thing is that it was like teachers who have been teaching management for years suddenly started teaching us Python. So it was like
अच्छा.
yeah, so they themselves didn't know how it worked.
ये
So
कितना चेंज है, उनको भी अडैप्ट करने में टाइम लगेगा ना.
right. So and the
और
teachers
जो एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन था वो गोली आपके कंधे पर रख के मारी जा रही थी, राइट? ऐसा था आपके बैट के साथ.
Right. So yeah. So then I was just trying to figure out what to do, and actually my dad helped me a lot. He was the one who like started searching for courses, like what to do, what I can do next to just start doing something, because I gave certain like off-campus interviews and I got rejected, like and that rejection hit really hard, because rejection after rejection was
And then you get it sense, and you have been a good student, right? And वो rejection after rejection होता है, वो लगता है कि I may be good for nothing.
right.
और मेरी छोटी सिस्टर तो VIT वेलोर जा रही है, वो तो अच्छा वाला कॉलेज है, तो मेरा क्या होगा लाइफ में, वो वाला फीलिंग आया था.
Right. So then my dad searched for courses and he came across this course at Wall Street, the financial modeling and valuation course. So he asked me if I knew about it. So I told him that I've heard of this course, not from this institute, but yeah, I've heard of it and it is like really good for your career. So we had a word with few of the counselors here, and they suggested us, like they helped me make a roadmap. So if I go to any other institute, so like any other student, I did my research. I went to 2 to 3 institutes to just know about the course, which was the best one for me. But I think Wall Street was the only institute that actually helped me define a roadmap for me and not just sell the course to me. So that was a really good experience because I had a word with the teacher. They told me that go for the financial modeling and valuation course first, then you can continue with CMA US or CFA or a professional certification like that. So it actually helped me to define my career path and to make a plan and then follow it. So now I know that what I want to do, how to do it. So when you have a clear path, it is easier to do the work.
Exactly. पता है क्या होता है वानी, यू बीन अ गुड स्टूडेंट, आपको पता है उस टाइम पर डायरेक्शन जब नहीं मिलती है ना, देन यू गेट वंडर्ड कि यार मुझे ये करना चाहिए या वो करना चाहिए, और खुद के ऊपर भी सेल्फ डाउट आता है
Right.
कि मे बी एम आई डैट बैड, एम आई गुड फॉर नथिंग, मतलब वैसे वाले डाउट्स आते हैं.
Right.
अब होता क्या स्पेशली विद प्लेसमेंट्स इज कि नाउ यू नो दैट यू हैव गॉट अ सिक्योर प्लेसमेंट, यू नो दैट यू एग्जिस्ट, आपको एक सिरा मिला है, right? And you have been a very good student in school also, in college also, even in the workshops you were very good, right? तो एक होता है कि क्योंकि आपको सिरा मिल गया है, उसके बाद आगे आपकी मेहनत है, right? That validation है कि कि अब मुझे किस तरह से आगे बढ़ना है, right? And अभी का फिर आगे का क्या, what do you think next? What is it that you want to do?
Okay, so now that I have a clear roadmap in mind, I knew that I wanted to get into finance, so that was clear. But now I have gotten placed. So my roadmap for now is to since I've completed my financial modeling course, to work on those skills side by side, do the job. I have been placed, so do the job and start studying for CFA level 1, which I plan to give in November or February 2027.
हाँ, CFA level 1 in November or February. या तो एक और चीज़ ना, that's a good learning for all of you. पहले हमारे पास काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं कि मुझे CFA level 1 देना है, जैसे we are shooting this in the month of April of 2026. सब आते हैं कि मुझे तो फटाफट से अगस्त में अटेम्प्ट देना है या नवंबर में अटेम्प्ट देना है, राइट? और उसके बाद फिर वर्कशॉप शुरू होता है, उसके बाद वो लगता है कि यार ये तो हमारी लेवल से बहुत ऊपर है, तो फिर उसके बाद कहते हैं कि हम तो नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम तो फरवरी का देंगे, हम तो मई का देंगे, राइट? तो और अब तो इंस्टीट्यूट ने, CFA इंस्टीट्यूट ने डेफरमेंट के भी वो मना कर दिए, राइट? तो आपने जब लिया तो आपको तभी देना पड़ेगा. तो इसलिए बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए कि एटलीस्ट आप ट्रेनिंग शुरू करो, उसके बाद डिसाइड करो कि आपको कौन सा अटेम्प्ट देना है, बिकॉज आपको अपनी औकात इन नॉट इन नेगेटिव सेंस बट इन लिटरल सेंस कि आप कितने पानी में हो, आपको उस चीज का पता चलता है.
Yeah, CFA is not easy. Like I have started studying for it. I have completed 1 or 2 subjects as well. So it is like the concepts are easy, but when you have to actually apply them to the questions, it gets really hard to think about it. Like what can be the answer, because these are MCQ questions and they will try to confuse you. So you need that practice, and sometimes like if you're doing something side by side, like even your studies or like now a job, so it gets hard because you will be tired after you come home from the job and you will have work of that as well. So you need to do a good time management. Like you need to divide your time between studies and work. So I think like it is good to keep the option. Like I can wait for 3 more months rather than waste 1 lakh rupees.
Got it. अच्छा, तो अभी कमिंग बैक टू वो वाला फेज जब आप एकदम क्लूलेस थे और पर्पसलेस थे कि मुझे क्या करना है, उस टाइम पर who was there to help you?
Okay, so first of all, I think my dad, he was there to help me. First of all, like
तो उन्होंने बोला कि कुछ भी हो जाएगा, मैं हूँ तेरे साथ, I exist, right? I'm here to support you till the time you find your.
Her way of saying that was a little different. First, I got scolded really bad that you are doing nothing and you are not making the effort. Then I had to make him understand that I am not making effort because I don't know what to make an effort on.
Yes.
So then we sat together and he has been really great. Like we used to watch so many YouTube videos together, talk to a lot of people. Like I talked to so many people in those 2 to 3 months who are into finance, into investment banking, who have like jobs, who have started their own companies. So I got a lot of perspective, and after that deciding what to do, it really helped, because now I had a perspective of many different people who are in the industry. And then after then finally when we found this course, we I talked to certain people to confirm is it fine. I reached out to people on LinkedIn who like who came to Wall Street and did their course from here. So they also suggested me like it is really good and it has helped them in their careers. And I think after coming here, then when I finally came here to the workshops, and it was really great because I was learning a lot. There were certain things that I knew like in theory as well, but actually doing them practically on Excel and understanding them, it was really great. There were certain concepts that I didn't even think existed. So I even wrote a LinkedIn post about such concepts, whatever I was learning. So I just
Oh, acha, I didn't know this. Okay.
if you remember, I got one post checked from
Yes,
you of
yes,
the
yes, yes.
capitalization
Yes.
of interest process.
Right.
Like that was really new to me, and it was really surprising that I went home and I was, sharing with my friends that I learned this new thing. Did you know this? And they were also like, no, I didn't know this. And then we were just checking companies like. How many companies use this, how can we see. So it was a really great experience, and I think after talking to the teachers here and taking guidance from them, that also helped a lot. Talking to Manoj sir about careers, like what to do, how to do it, he also suggested a very good career path, like how to go about it, how then when I had the skills, the confusion was again like, should I just start CFA or should I again prepare for CAT, because I'm getting WorkX now. After 1 or 2 years I can go back to CAT and get into a good college. But after talking to Manoj sir and Anand sir as well, in my mind it got really clear that okay, CFA is the right path for me for now. MBA, we can think about it later in the future. It is never going anywhere, and there are colleges who will always accept you if you have the work experience.
Okay. And when you got that offer letter,
Oh,
how was the feeling, of Vani now getting an offer letter and somebody who perhaps thought that she is purposeless, right? She's good for nothing, and then getting an offer letter. Did that validate you? And who was the
a
happiest?
lot. So it was like for a week or two, I think I knew that I have been selected, and now I'm just awaiting on the offer letter. But it was getting delayed because some person was either on a leave or at like. When I finally thought, okay, today I am going to get the offer letter, they said, okay, just there is this one more Excel test you have to give. So I gave that, and then it got delayed, and I was like, and the day I knew that it is about to come, that we have finalized everything. So I was just, I kept my phone open and I was just seeing like,
Refreshing.
okay, when is it going to come? And I remember the exact time at 4:03 it came, and I was just
अच्छा, वो जैसे कोई बेबी born होता है ना, उसका टाइम नोट करते होते हैं.
yeah, so and I was like on cloud nine. It was like a weight off my shoulders, because even though I knew that I was getting placed, I have been selected, when I saw that offer letter, it just like it felt really nice, because now I knew, okay, now I have a purpose. So I am going to do something, and I like to meet new people, so that was a plus. Like I'm going to meet a lot of new people and talk to them, learn from them as well. So
And how did your father react when he got to know that my daughter is now a Kamau of the family? Right?
oh, he was really happy. He has never been one to force me to do anything. So when I did a few other courses as well, like I learned French and did a few teaching courses, so that was always an option. But because I wanted to go into finance, and he finally saw that I was getting to do that and I was happy, so he was just really happy seeing me happy.
Very nice.
And we celebrated a little. He got me cheesecake, so that was really nice.
Very nice. Super. So, Vani, last question. If Vani of 2024, if what would the Vani of 2026 tell to the Vani of 2024?
That you just need to hold on, and you don't have to feel underconfident about anything. There are going to be things that you always will need to figure out, so you just need to stay calm and think about what you want to do next. It is You have time. You have your whole life ahead of you. It is not like the world is ending in the next year.
हाँ
So
और जब जॉब हो जाती है ना कॉन्फिडेंस आता है तो अपने आप इंटेलिजेंस भी आ जाती है बहुत अच्छे वानी I mean I've taught you and I have reasons to believe that you have makings of a fabulous career. You have been a very very good student, very
you,
obedient and मुझे पता है कि जो obedient होता है, जो dutiful होता है, जो respectful होता है वो वर्कशॉप में तो अच्छा करता ही है, वो अपने करियर में भी वैसे ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ करते हैं and I see you rising to very very good heights in your life, right? And keep in touch and I'm wishing you all the best and thank you so much for this podcast.
thank you, sir.